Alright, I'm back with some goods here, man. So, was testing the longitudinal scalar quarter wave resonance phenomenon. It's supposed to be superluminal, like the waves, the scalar waves should travel faster than light inside this coil. So, this is the setup that I have. There's a function generator, primary, secondary, which is measured in length, and then I get to measure the resonant frequency with the oscilloscope. This here, and this is a function generator, poor man's function generator, poor man's oscilloscope. So this is a coil. It's grounded on one end. Alright, it's grounded with these circuits and also a metallic plate somewhere along this wire. At the end of this wire there's a metallic plate. Alright, so these are the results. It's quarter wave because one end is grounded, so we have no voltage, it's a node. The other one is left loose hanging, so there is maximum voltage. Okay, this is the loose end, this is the loose end. Alright, if the camera can see that, this is the loose end. There's oscilloscope probe right there. Okay, the other end, as I've said, is grounded here on some metallic plate and also on the same ground as this function generator. So the measured frequency is you can see here 659 kilohertz. I had previously measured 635 kilohertz, but no problem. It keeps changing with how you place the coil and what is near it, so it keeps changing, but it's around there. It's around 630 to 650 or 60. So the length of the wire is 145 meters, and considering it is quarter wave resonance, so I multiply that by 4 to get the full length. Is 580 meters, right? And then expected frequency is the speed of light divided by the length of the wire, which I expect to measure 517 kilohertz. Alright, and this is what I expect to measure, but of course you cannot measure this. Alright, it's always 80% this, so I'm expecting to measure 0.8 times this. Okay, I'm expecting to measure actually lower than 515 kilohertz. Alright, but when I measure it, it's 635 kilohertz, or now it's measuring an optimal frequency of 659. If I tune this one, if I tune the function generator up or low, so there's an optimal point. There's an optimal there. Alright, so 642 kilohertz. I consider 635 kilohertz. Okay, so it's higher. So what does that mean? It just means that whatever thing is moving up and down this wire, it's moving faster than light. That's what it means. And in my case, it's 1.2 times faster than light, or C. 1.2 times faster than C. So I've seen many other people like Eric Dollard and a couple of other guys who have replicated this. okay, another guy over YouTube. Okay, a couple of many guys have done this experiment, and they get speeds that are higher than the speed of light. Okay, especially if you drive it with a primary. If I connect this function generator directly to this guy here without the induction happening, if I just connect it directly, I get lower frequencies. But if I connect it through this inductor, if I couple it through induction, the things runs faster than C. So that's it. What could be happening is the free energy story real, faster than light thing stuff real, scalar waves real, maybe this is an experimental evidence of all of that free energy stuff going around the internet. I've seen guys reproducing, making setups and measuring coefficient of performance higher than 1, like 6 times output than input. And they say that the phenomenon as to, the frequencies that you should measure should be pi over 2 times faster than what you should normally measure. Okay, they say the pi over 2 is important, like the phenomenon happening in your setup should be faster than light so that you can get the free energy. Okay, so maybe I've succeeded today. I had ordered another function generator for higher frequencies, but I thought, what about the quarter wave? Because I was doing the half wave resonance, but now the quarter wave resonance requires a lesser frequency for the same length. Okay, and that frequency can be produced by this one, this function generator. So when I did the experiment, I was struck by surprise and how, I got very clean results. My other videos are sketchy, using sparking, not very clean, I'm barely measuring anything. I'm just, because of the poor equipment. But now, today, I've measured a very clean resonant point, which is above what I expect by 1.2 times, which shows the thing is superluminal. Okay, it's moving faster than light. So maybe Einstein is wrong. Maybe we do have a fluid. Maybe the ether is, this also could point to the existence of the ether. All right, because sound waves and the speed of air molecules have a certain relationship. Okay, and near the source of an emitter, the waves travel faster because of the nature of medium. So maybe this is pointing to such kind of a phenomenon, and it's hinting to the existence of a luminiferous ether, and maybe we can get energy out of this, like we get more energy using heat pumps. So maybe we could pump it out of the ether through resonance phenomena like this. Yeah, so those are my thoughts, guys. I know my videos are not quality, they make YouTube shy, but something important. So if I get something else interesting, I will update you guys. My function generator, my other new function generator has been delivered. It will do up to 10 megahertz, and I will test this smaller coil, okay, at higher frequencies like 6 megahertz or something. If I test it, I will post the results, because I've gotten these ideas from YouTube mostly. People generously share their research. So I've come across the guys, their videos, and therefore I replicated them, got basically the same results, and now I'm going to post back to YouTube. I'm going to give back to the YouTube society of enthusiasts. So thank you, God bless you.